challenge number one. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right? You're ready. Okay, challenge number one. Each one of you must go into your section of the audience and get 2 items. Each one get 2 items. That's 4 items. A romantic item and a small creative anniversary gift for your spouse. Now you're going to give them that. You will get it back. Yeah, you'll get it back. Okay, so a romantic item and a small creative anniversary gift for your spouse. Creative gift. A heart-shaped chocolate will get the gong buzzer. What's the gong buzzer? Okay? So to get points, you must get something unique. Each couple will have 30 seconds to collect the items and get back to the stage. And then you'll have 15 seconds meeting with your spouse to choose the best 2 items. You will then explain in less than 30 seconds why the tokens you collected should get points. Do you understand that? They need something creative, okay? We'll need some music on this one, okay? You ready to go? All right? Get on. Are you ready? Get it, go!
It's chapstick.
All right. Going back here. Okay, I don't have my wireless mic, my handheld. What's it? Okay, right there. Is this on? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? All right, you got 15 seconds, okay? Judges, get ready. All right, who's ready to go first? Hey, your 15 seconds is up. Okay, ready? Go. All right.
I found this in Rhonda's purse. Oh, my Link, are you ready? I haven't even seen all the contents. Hold them up. What does this say? Kiss me, boxers.
Okay, judges.
I need a
23. Okay, very good. All right, next.
Gary.
What is this rated? So this is our anniversary. Was that today?
Oh.
We are going on an anniversary trip, and the only thing that you can pack is this.
And see-through curtains.
We've learned our lesson.
So what's the next thing? Come on, hurry.
This is our romantic gift, and it represents our favorite activity, our favorite pastime, spooning.
Judges. 16.
Give it to me.
Jarrell.
Give it to me.
Huh?
I don't know. We've only been married since last May, so we haven't really gotten any of that stuff yet.
Yeah, right.
Perverts. Yes! I'm the best fan group. So, I don't know what yours was, if that was creative or romantic. I don't know what that is. We're on the creative side. We have the 50 States Travel Journal. All the places we've been to together. Hold it up. All the states, what we did, where we went. That's creative.
We got a good crowd over here. We got a good...
Oh, wow.
Go ahead.
My second one is a couple's massage for a romantic. Yeah, tell me about it. Couple's massage, hot and steamy. Enjoy it together. 1 hour. Creative and romantic. Give it to me. Ew, what is that? Oh, let it hear it.
Oh my, isn't that something? So who got the best score on that? What's that?
23, team 1.
Team 1, you did. So Lisa. So when are you due?
I'm not pregnant.
You're not pregnant. Well, if you ain't pregnant, then before you came tonight, you ate an awful big watermelon.
You just call my wife fat? You might think she's fat, but you're ugly and she can diet.
Well, you can either sit down or tell me when you're due.
May.
You eat watermelons too?
I'm the only one that can tease my wife about you overeating.
Okay. All right, challenge number 2. All right? In the South Pacific.
We're still planting watermelon seeds.
We're going to give you 7 points for that, okay? They get 7 points. That wasn't a challenge. We'll give you 7 points on that. That was good. Plant watermelon seeds. Okay. Okay, we got to move on this. Challenge number 2. In the South Pacific island, there's a species of birds called the Kookamunga. It has very long legs and normally walks like a crane, except when it comes in the path of the opposite sex. They attempt to mate by doing unique and bizarre walking, attempting to impress the opposite sex. Their wing and head movements are a very important part of the show. If they impress each other, they mate for life, never to walk strangely again. Now, if the female is not impressed with the male's walking show, a hissing sound comes out of her beak. If he is not impressed with hers, a burping sound emerges from him. Okay? Like that. Hey, they eat. Okay, who's doing that? Is that you, Ken? Okay, they each try different walks until they impress the others, or they don't succeed and go their separate ways. Okay? So I'm going to show you a little bit about what this is like, okay? If you look at the screens here.
Nice, I have. Thank you. Yeah.
You got that, all right? Now, you got the general gist. Who wants to go first? Okay? I tell you what, you go first. You go first. The rest of you stay off the stage. Let's hear it.
When does my time start?
Yeah, right now. You got 30 seconds. Judges, come on. Hold them up. What do you think? Is that right? 15. All right, next. Where'd the rest go? All right, go ahead. You guys are next. Hurry, get up here. Run.
Can I say something first? I'm only going to do it once. So stay tuned to the last part of it. I will not do it again.
I don't know what they're going to do. Go. All right. Well. All right, next. Jarrell and Stacy, go for it. Okay, come on back up on stage for your third challenge. In the final challenge, you will have to perform one of these 3 challenges. Choose wisely. You get to choose it. You want to do something unique at your wedding ceremony to surprise your court and guests when the pastor announces that it's time for the new couple to kiss. Come up with a worthy idea that will impress the judges. You have 30 seconds, okay? Or B, you've been interested in this girl at your church for a long time. You just bought a new motorcycle or a hot car. You must entice her to ride with you and then impress her on the ride of her life. Or C, sing an original song to your spouse. Make the judges laugh or make them cry. Or you may both sing an original song to each other. You go first. You guys may step off to the side here. Okay. I think the guitar's over there. Do you have a guitar? He wants a guitar. Oh, right there. You guys, Keith and Lisa, you come on up. They have to get ready. They have to get into their costumes.
Needs a guitar too.
Huh? Keith needs a guitar too. Okay, Benji and Tanisha, come on up here. You're going first.
Okay.
Do you need a mic?
I need a mic, yeah. We chose to do the motorcycle. So those single gentlemen that are serving, pay attention, please. Hey, so I saw you in worship the other tonight. And I say, cool.
Thank you. I try not to be too ostentatious because I don't want people to think I'm Pentecostal, but I do love to get my praise on.
Well, have you heard the new CDC guidelines? They say that midnight motorcycle rides protect you from COVID. It's true, I promise.
Really?
Yeah, if I can take you home right now on my motorcycle, you'll have a 99.99% chance of surviving COVID, promise.
Really? So, I mean...
Hop on.
By the way, my name's Miranda. What's your name?
You can call me Will. God's will.
Next, Stacy and Jarrell. Hey, listen, when I do it like that, you stop. I'm in charge here, okay?
So we chose to go the cheesy route, try to make the judges cry. Hopefully you guys are sentimental. I see you be giving a lot of ones, so we'll see how it goes. No, this is, yeah, you can hold it. Yeah, so this is a song that I wrote for Stacy when we got engaged. We'll sing it together. We'll just sing like half of it. God had him picked for me, placed us together forever, I know. The way that you give with that heart of pure gold, your beautiful smile that will never grow old, speaks of the life and the love in your soul. To see that you're perfect for me. Stacy, will you marry me? I will love you the rest of this life. Down on my knees, you see, to ask you to be my wife. I promise to hold you close, walk beside you wherever we go. Stacy, will you marry me? Stacy, will you marry me?
Yeah, that was wonderful. I love you. What do you give them, judges? 22. All right, was that it? All right, so we're ready to find out who is the winner. Wait a minute, what? Oh, you didn't do yours yet.
Oh, you want to play for me? You know, That was very nice, Jerome. Very, very nice.
You want me to hold the mic first?
No, I'm good. You know what Dorcas told me tonight? She said that when she dips her Oreos in milk, she thinks of Steve every time. And then she holds them under until they bubble.
Your time's up. Okay, judges.
Oh no, Jarrell and Stacy, that was very, very nice. This is an original song. I have not yet been discovered. I have never sung a song in public. But here we go. This song was written on the way here tonight. I mean, sort of. Yeah, the words were. So I'm gonna sing this to... Okay, yep. Now I'll just sing, no music. You ready, honey?
Very ready.
I'll be signing autographs later. I love you so much, Lisa, and I know that you love me. I'll never say I hate you. You are not my enemy. You're fun to kiss, and that's my gist. I hate when we're apart. I love you so much, Lisa. You always make me fall too happy.
Gary,
10, okay.
you know you like that one.
All right, all three couples come on up on stage. All right, Dorcas and Steve, come on up. All right, who has the most points? Do you need a calculator?
Team number 3.
Okay, Jarrell and Stacy. The one that stands right here in the middle. Okay, Dorcas and Steve have something for you.